So it's like water for our skin, and as we know, water is life. Hey stars! If you're new here, my name is Tara, and passing it on is my passion. And one of the areas I do love to share is skincare. So if you guys are interested about skincare, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. For today's video, I will be doing a review on the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. This is one of the most recommended products when it comes to hydrating our skin. So it's like water for our skin, and as we know, water is life. So I did my research about hyaluronic acid in general and the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid. I'll be sharing information about this, facts and claims, the application, how to use it, how I use it, and of course, at the end, my feedback, yay or nay, leave or love. If you guys are interested to know more about this product, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. Just before going to the details of the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5, let's briefly look into what hyaluronic acid is in general and what are its benefits. Hyaluronic acid is a clear, gooey substance that is naturally produced by our body. Most of it are found in our skin, connective tissue, and eyes. Its main function is to retain water to keep our tissues well lubricated and moist. It has a variety of uses. It is used in topical serums, eye drops, injections, and some supplements. Hyaluronic acid can help skin look and feel more supple. It binds to water to help retain moisture. It's a humectant. However, the natural aging process and exposure to the sun, smoke, and pollution can decrease its amounts in the skin. Besides hydration, hyaluronic acid has antioxidant properties to protect our skin from the environment, sun exposure, and harsh chemicals. Some of its benefits for the skin are skin hydration. It acts as a humectant. It's like a sponge that'll continue to attract water for your skin. It tightens the skin, smoothens skin texture, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, stimulates skin cell regeneration, helps prevent pigmentation, and prevents the overproduction of oil that clogs pores and causes breakouts. I'll be placing my sources link at the description box. And now let us dive into the product information of the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. Apologies for any sudden noise. And I got it from their website. I'll be placing the link of their website at the description box as well. Hyaluronic acid can attract up to 1,000 times its weight in water. The molecular size of HA determines its depth of delivery in the skin. The Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 formulation combines low, medium, and high molecular weight HA, as well as a next-generation HA cross-polymer at a combined concentration of 2% for multi-depth hydration. This system is supported with the addition of vitamin B5, which also enhances surface hydration. Hyaluronic acid is found in the skin naturally, but its natural function within the skin is not hydration. Many products have used HA to claim hydration benefits, but HA is too large of a molecule to penetrate the skin and instead sits on the surface and can draw moisture out of the skin, making the surface feel soft and hydrated temporarily, while making you feel like you need more HA after the product is rinsed. This formula uses 3 forms of HA with varying molecular weights, as well as an HA cross-polymer to offer multi-depth hydration and visible plumping without drawing water out of the skin, solely to improve temporary surface hydration. Application or directions for use. Apply a few drops to face in the morning and evening before creams. If irritation occurs, cease use and consult a physician. Use only as directed on unbroken skin. Keep out of reach of children. Alright, so how do you incorporate this into your skincare routine? You can use this in the morning and in the evening, but I only use this in the evening, MWF, to give room for the other products that I am using. It's just my preference. I do not like to layer so much products on my face. Again, that's just my preference. And so after washing my face, I apply toner, and then I put this, and then my eye cream or serum, so noisy, and then my moisturizer, then I'm done. Now, I'm applying this in the morning for the vlog, so I'm gonna finish off with my eye serum, my moisturizer, and then my sunscreen. Be right back. Oh, look at my skin. So supple, so plump. Alright, so for my review, I'm going to start with facts, claims, later on my feedback. Facts. This retails at 500 pesos and I got it from an Instagram shop called Beauty Brewery PH. I normally purchase my skincare products in Lazada and Beauty MNL. However, in Lazada, The Ordinary doesn't have a flagship store or an official store, and I'm very careful because there are a lot of fake ones out there. Be very careful with fake ones. And at that time in Beauty MNL, they didn't have it on stock, but right now I just checked. It retails at 650 pesos in Beauty MNL, and it is back in stock. Yay! And you get 30 ml, and this is good for 12 months. Yay! I'm gonna skip claims or benefits because I already mentioned them to you a while ago, and now I'm gonna move forward with my review, my feedback. Let us start with the things I like about the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. First up, packaging. I really love the packaging of the Ordinary products because they are very simple and complicated, minimalist, and they offer ease of application, just the way I want it. And of course, very important, the quality. My skin did not react negatively to it, thank God. I have combination to oily skin, by the way, and truly, skin feels and looks very hydrated, healthy, moisturized, but not oily. And a little goes a long way, and it's good for 12 months. Availability, readily available online. Yay. Again, a little goes a long way. I've been using this for 3 months already, so I think for me, it is going to last for about 4 months more or 5 months more. There's really nothing I dislike about this product. In fact, this is one of my favorite products. By the way, if you haven't checked out my 2020 skincare product favorites, I'll just place the card right here and the link at the description box. So this is one of them. I really love it, but I do not suggest that you use this in the morning though, because especially when you are going to apply makeup, because I think it'll look just, too much, although you want your skin to look hydrated and supple, but it'll probably look too much. You know what I mean? So yeah, I suggest you use this only in the evening. So if you want next level hydration for your skin, I definitely recommend this. Again, I have combination to oily skin. If you are interested to incorporate this, put this into your skincare routine, I suggest you do a thorough research first and ease in the process. Alright, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below, and I hope you do like this video. And if you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. Stay lovely, stars! Bye! See you in the next one!